Hi, my name is Ron Ready, and this presentation explores how Gen Z in-store behavior is driven by three forces: interactivity, innovation, and identity. This project is based on real in-store observations and consumer interviews, and it connects what Gen Z does in stores to clear, actionable brand recommendations. This project follows a simple structure. First, I'll walk through how the research was conducted. Then, I'll present three key insights. Finally, I'll share two strategic recommendations and a brief wrap-up. The main goal of the project was research is to really understand how Gen Z physically interacts with products in retail environments and how that behavior directly impacts brand perception and purchase decisions. To collect data, I used in-store observations along with semi-structured interviews of both customers and sales representatives, ranging in ages of 22 to 38. The three pillars: interactivity, innovation, and identity. Across all my observations and interviews, three themes appeared consistently. Interactivity, where hands-on engagement drove confidence. Innovation, where features outweigh the loyalty. And identity, where lifestyle and authenticity matter more than branding alone. These three pillars shape Gen Z decision making. The first insight is that Gen Z needs more interactive displays because they value the perfect fit. One participant said that if I can't try it myself, I'm way less likely to buy it. This shows that physical testing isn't optional for Gen Z, it's a requirement for trust and to purchase confidence. The touch increases the trust. The second insight is that brand loyalty is far more fluid than it has ever used to be. A participant explained that they now compare brands every time instead of sticking to what they owned before. This means that innovation awareness now matters more than just brand history. You can see here that Apple owns the majority of the market, but Beats is at the 15% mark, making them very close. Having these small insights can really shape their history. The third and last insight is that Gen Z relies more on the internet than in-store staff. One participant said that I trust Google and reviews more than just in-person sales reps. This shows that Gen Z builds that sort of validity, that trust through digital and identity alignment, not the traditional sales pitch that you see every day. My first recommendation is to give in-store displays a visual and interactive facelift. This includes better digital spec displays, interactive testing stations, and innovation-focused messaging. This strategy directly supports hands-on engagement and innovation literacy, which both derive Gen Z confidence. The second one is to create a personal environment and brand culture. This means emphasizing lifestyle branding, personalizations, and community-driven identity. They don't want to buy a product. They want to buy a product that represents them. To summarize, they want interaction, trust, innovation to choose, and identity stay loyal. Brands that win with Gen Z now will not leave with hardware alone. They will leave with experience, culture, and connection. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.